Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable flashback on Snapchat. Please subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open Snapchat app. Then click on your upper left on your avatar icon. Then click on your upper right on settings. Then on my account, scroll down where it's written memories. Then on features, click you can click on flashback to enable it so that people see snaps from today in past years at the top of memories. So I'm gonna have to click on here flashback to enable it. So that's it. That's how to enable flashback on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.